Click on the link below to get price. The Royal Sovereign 215 Pint Commercial Dehumidifier, model RDHC 190P, is a robust solution for managing excessive moisture in large spaces. With its impressive capability to remove up to 215 pints of moisture from the air per day, this unit is ideal for warehouses, basements, and other expansive environments that suffer from high humidity levels. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its automatic purge pump. This feature allows for continuous drainage, eliminating the need for manual emptying of the water tank. The pump can push the collected water up to 16 feet vertically, providing flexibility in placement and ensuring that you can run the unit unattended for extended periods. The RDHC 190P is designed with durability in mind. Its heavy-duty construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of commercial use. The unit is equipped with a large air filter that is easily accessible for cleaning, promoting better air quality and enhancing the efficiency of the dehumidifier. Additionally, the built-in hygrometer allows users to monitor humidity levels in real time, making it easier to adjust settings for optimal performance. Operation is straightforward, thanks to the user-friendly control panel. With a clear display and intuitive buttons, adjusting humidity settings and configuring the timer is simple. The 24-hour timer function is particularly beneficial for those who want to run the unit during specific hours, further conserving energy. Noise level is another consideration, and while it operates at a reasonable decibel level for a commercial unit, it may be noticeable in quieter settings. However, the performance and efficiency it offers more than compensate for this minor drawback. In summary, the Royal Sovereign 215 Pint Commercial Dehumidifier is a powerful and reliable solution for controlling humidity in large spaces. Its automatic purge pump, durable design, and user-friendly features make it a valuable tool for anyone needing to combat moisture issues effectively. Whether for industrial use or extensive home applications, this dehumidifier delivers on its promises.